What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you the best OBS settings for recording in 2025. So let's get right into this. So once you have OBS installed and open up as such, so you want to click into the settings thing at the bottom right, and then in here we're going to do a few things. The first thing is you're going to go into output, and you're going to change your output mode from simple to advanced, right? Once you do this, you want to make sure your video encoder is not deprecated, as you can see mine is. You want to have it on this specific one, right? As you can see such so. So once you have it on this specific one, you're going to see the actual qualities or the settings that it should be. So you should have it on constant bitrate, as you can see over here. The bitrate is 10,000 kbps, interval frame second 0. So the preset is the recording quality that you'll have. So you can I would recommend having it on P6, which is the slower and better quality. The tuning, stay on high quality. Multipass mode, 2 passes is fine, but you could have 2 passes full resolution as well. Profile high, I would believe, is fine. You can have it on look ahead, and it tells you what it is. It will increase visual quality, etc., etc. So you can see over there. And then adaptive quantization, you should have this on as well. So this should be your main output settings as well. You can kind of play around with your audio settings as well and see which one you want to have. Most likely, again, depending on what you have, it might be defaulted to the best ones, depending on your graphic cards and your recording software style, right? But as you can see, you can go with what I have over here and kind of choose it from that perspective. So you can basically press apply and then press OK. The next thing is you want to make sure your desktop audio and your mic aux is the correct one. So you can see right now my mic is appropriately selected, so you can even see I have the right one. You can change it by going to properties or advanced audio properties to choose the right specific one, because again, you want to make sure, or you can do it from the file section as well, or from your settings component as well. You just always want to make sure the right one is chosen. And same with the desktop audio. Maybe you don't want the desktop audio, maybe there's multiple monitors, maybe you want it for a specific game. Let's say it's for, obviously, you're recording some games, right? You only want the audio for the specific game. You can always just press plus and change the source of said audio and put it in here as well. So yeah, that's basically it. That's like the most easiest settings that you can have for OBS in 2020. So if you guys are over the video, please press up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll show us out. Peace.